Hey, how's it going, everybody? Happy holidays. This is Chad Brown here, and I'm here to walk you through how I made the punch that you're drinking called the Naughty List. So let's jump right into it. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of cranberry cocktail juice. I always like using cranberry juice or cranberry jam or something during the holidays. Then I have a ½ ounce of fresh lemon juice. And then we're gonna go with a syrup I made. It's a hibiscus tea syrup. Quick rundown, I got some hibiscus tea, dried oranges, a little cinnamon, clove, star anise, and we're gonna go with 1 ounce of this stuff. Delicious, delicious, all the holiday spices right in there. Next, we're gonna go with a little maraschino. I'm gonna do about 0.75 ounces maraschino. And then the featured spirit for this kit is none other than the Basil Hayden. Today we're using the dark rye. Beautiful, beautiful spirit. Gets a dark color from the port that's included in the barrels there. And we're gonna go with a full 2 ounces of that. It is the holidays, it is a punch, nice and strong. Get it kicked up there. Get our ice. Shake it up. Sorry, Adam, I just kind of randomly break out in shaking poses. And then we're just gonna go ahead and dirty dump this into this beautiful fancy glass I found. So why not use it, right? And then last, the garnish, dehydrated orange wheel, right on top there. Once again, this is the Naughty List. Hope you guys enjoy and have a safe and fun holiday, at least the best we can. So cheers. Back to you in the studio, Chad.